4 home remedies for a cough. Number 1. Honey. Swallow a spoonful of honey or add it to a hot drink, such as hot tea. Number 2. Ginger. Add ginger to dishes or drink it in tea. But be aware, in some cases ginger tea can cause stomach upset or heartburn. Number 3. Saltwater gargle. Stir half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water until it dissolves. Let the mixture cool slightly before using it to gargle. Number 4. Steam. Take a hot shower or bath and allow the bathroom to fill up with steam. Sit and stay in the steam for a few minutes until symptoms subside. Don't forget to subscribe for more home remedies and health tips, and like and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks.